The video will show you how to raise estimates, create invoices and receive payments with the Customer Center in QuickBooks. Please refer to the handbook that accompanies this lesson if you want to get the most out of this video. Click Customers in the sidebar on the left of your QuickBooks homepage. You are taken to the Customers dashboard. At the top of the page is the Money bar. The Money bar updates after each transaction. The Money bar shows you the unbilled estimates, unbilled activity, open invoices, overdue invoices and invoices paid in the last 30 days. Clicking on any of these sections will display the relevant invoices in a list below the Money bar. This list can be printed or exported by clicking the appropriate icons. The columns displayed in this list can be configured by clicking the gear icon and then ticking the desired check boxes in the Edit Columns menu. You can also include inactive customers in the lists by ticking the Include Inactive checkbox. Clicking on any customer name in the list on the Customers page takes you to the relevant customer dashboard. In the Customer Dashboard page, click Edit to change the details for the customer. The Customer Information window pops up. Customer details can be edited here. The changes can be saved by clicking Save. In case the company has stopped dealing with the customer can be made inactive by clicking Make Inactive and clicking Yes in the confirmation dialog box. You are taken back to the Customer dashboard. The list of transactions with the customer are displayed on this page. You can create a new invoice, payment, estimate or other transactions for this customer by clicking Create New and selecting the relevant option from the drop-down menu. You can also create an estimate or any other transaction through the global Create or Plus button. Let's create an estimate for this customer. You are taken to a new Estimate page. The name of the customer is pre-filled. You need to add the estimate date, the expiration date, location, and add line items to the estimate. Once you have filled in the relevant details such as product description, quantity, rate, and tax, you can save the estimate by clicking Save. By selecting Save and Send from the drop-down menu under Save and Close, you can instantly email the estimate to the customer. Let's save the estimate. This takes us back to the Customer dashboard for the customer. The estimate created is shown at the top of the transactions list on this page. The estimate can be copied into a new invoice by clicking Start Invoice. Let's click on Start Invoice. You are taken to a new invoice page. All the details from the estimate you created have been copied automatically. Just like estimate, you can save the invoice by clicking Save or by selecting Save and Send. You can instantly email the invoice directly to the customer. Let's save the invoice. This takes us back to the Customer dashboard for the customer. The invoice created is shown at the top of the transactions list on this page. You can click on Receive Payment next to any open invoice in the transaction list. This will take you to the Receive Payment page with the invoice included under the outstanding transactions. We can select a bank account to receive the payment from the drop-down menu under Deposit To. Clicking Save and Close will save the payment and take you back to the Customer dashboard for the customer. We have just gone over the general revenue workflow with customers in QuickBooks.